What is this?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Flavia and today we're going to be testing out some new makeup that just came out. And if you guys like videos like these, please don't forget to follow, like and comment.
Let's start with this new primer from Milk Makeup, Cloudy Glow. It's a funny primer, but look at the glow that gives my skin. I actually really liked it. Moving on to foundation, this has been my favorite foundation in the past 4 months. Just look how beautiful it looks on my skin. The shade match, it's insane, and the coverage, it's amazing, as you guys can see. So let's move on to bronzing. So this is the new bronzers from Too Faced, and when I tell you, this smells so good, obviously like chocolate, and it just blended so well on my skin like butter. I really liked it. Just blended so well with the foundation. Huda Beauty concealer is my favorite concealer. I always use this. The new blushes from Milk Makeup, this jelly tint. When I tell you guys this, it's beautiful. Like, it's very natural, very sheer, but at the same time, it just looks perfect for a natural day makeup look. I cannot wait to try the other shades as well because this shade was beautiful. This Sephora Mattifying Finishing Powder, I'm not sure if it's a new launch, but it is new to me. And I really like it because it's a very thin powder. So I just put it all over my face and it just matches my skin so well. Set my face, then I move on to the new Lancôme mascara. Now this mascara, I was quite impressed, to be honest, because as you guys can see, I have a really tiny lashes, and I applied the primer first and then I applied the mascara, and actually it gave me some lashes. It was definitely 10 out of 10 for me. And the Armani Beauty lip glosses. Now, I really like these lip glosses because they're very sheer. It looks very natural on my lips and it's not sticky.
And here's the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love this look. It feels very natural. It doesn't feel cakey at all. I love all the products, but one product that stand out to me was definitely the Lancôme mascara. Obviously you have to try as well with the primer, but my lashes are very small. And when I mean small, they're tiny, and now it just looks like I have lashes. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you on my next video.